Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, beautiful people. And we are live. And this morning, we're just doing a quick little recap on what took place this morning on this morning's trade call. And so, um, excuse me. Um, this morning we had price had gone up. We saw it was pulling back on the 1 hour, but on the 15 minute, we saw that it was pulling back. And then it started to pull back. We said that price, if it continued to pull back, it was going to pull back to that 14.6 area. Let me do this because this does get on my nerve. The 14.6 area. And then it broke past that area that it was more than likely going to come to the trend line. So those areas were where the trend lines were. And so we have to mark where price could come back to that trend line, come back to that one. And it came back to all of those areas. And in doing so, with the momentum for the downside, we got a sell call on the Exodus strategy. It called a sell. It called a buy here. It called a sell there. But the actual move was at this move, and it was a 200 tick take profit, 200 tick move, TP, and pull back. If you didn't get in for that particular move, you could have gotten in here. If you are familiar with trading the market, you could have gotten in here after the pullback for re-entry. After that rejection candle, price pulled back up, rejected, came back down, and it is now moving back down. So the trend for the day is a downtrend. This is the trend for this morning. And so if you took that position, awesome. And it looks like on the 15-minute time frame, the Exodus strategy also called a sell position. Looks like it's possibly getting ready to hit TP. And then we have the 1 hour time frame where price is pulling back on the 1 hour time frame, guys. It is pulling back. We said that price could possibly come down to this area of 39.22. It came close last week, came close to that 39.22. We see that this is an area here of what it's a ceiling, it's an area of resistance. So price got to this area here, and guess what it did? It rejected. It started to pull back. And so when you are in range in markets, you always look for those areas where price, before you say, oh, I'm going to go in for a buy, you see the momentum going up for a buy, you wait, because if it met that ceiling before, look to the left, we see that ceiling there before, guess what? It got to that ceiling, that area of price, and then it rejected. It started to pull back. And so where is it going to possibly pull back to? We will see. That's on the 4 hour time frame. On the 1 hour, we have price pulling back. And it hit TP on, and it looks like it's getting ready to hit TP on the 15-minute, but it hit it on the 5-minute for a 200 tick movement. So guys, that was the move for today. Done trading for today. I'm out. That was just our recap for today. And so again, we are looking at MGC Futures Gold. We will be incorporating sometime here the new it's not new, but we'll be incorporating MNQ and NQ, MNQ and NQ for people who like scalping and not holding positions for long periods of time. Because I will tell you, in gold, sometimes your moves will be fast. Sometimes you're going to be holding them a little bit longer, because gold has a tendency to get into ranges, get into zones, and it will stay in a zone for a while until there's a breakout. And so we're going to be incorporating MNQ and NQ with some of the tools that we have for MPW. We have MPW tools. So the fair value gap tool is actually a phenomenal tool for trading MNQ. And so, guys, we're going to make sure that you see that. All right. I will talk to you soon. And this is just our daily recap. Oh, and we did clear another 200K yesterday on the exit with the Exodus strategy. We cleared another 200K for the Exodus strategy on Apex with Apex Trader funding for a total since the challenge, since the first 28-day challenge, for a total of 700K in funding. Yes, 700K in funding. So, and these are static accounts. That means that the drawdown, the max amount that you can lose is $625. That is your max amount. And so it is a static account. I prefer static accounts. That's just my thing. And so, so far 700K in funding with Apex Trader funding. And the focus and the goal is to get $1 million in funding. So guys, that is our session for today, our little recap. I just wanted to come on real quick and show you that the Exodus strategy did call it, and that if you took this position, you would have been in profit. You would have been in profit. Okay, guys, I will talk to you soon. You all have an amazingly blessed day, and I am out.